In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Chrome browsing data, disable extensions, and use incognito mode to troubleshoot login issues. If a website is not letting you sign in properly, one of the most common causes is outdated browser data or an extension interfering with the page. The good news is that this is usually very quick to fix, and I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way. First, open Google Chrome and go directly to Chrome's browsing data settings. To do that, click into the address bar at the top of the browser, type Chrome/settings, clear browser data, and press enter. This shortcut takes you straight to the menu where you can remove stored website data that may be causing the problem. Once that window opens, look for the options labeled cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Make sure both of those are selected. Cookies store sign-in sessions and site preferences, while cached files help pages load faster by saving parts of websites on your computer. Over time, either of these can become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent a login page from working correctly. After selecting those two options, click Clear Data. Give Chrome a moment to finish the process. Depending on how much stored data your browser has, this may take a few seconds. Clearing this data can sign you out of some websites, so keep that in mind before continuing. Next, disable any browser extensions that might interfere with websites. This is especially important for extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or anything that modifies page content. Even useful extensions can sometimes prevent login forms, buttons, or scripts from loading the way they should. You don't necessarily need to remove them completely, just turn them off temporarily so you can test whether one of them is causing the issue. After that, open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N on your keyboard. Incognito mode starts a fresh browsing session and usually runs without most extensions unless they've been specifically allowed there. In the new incognito window, go back to the website and try logging in again. If the login works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that the issue is related to your regular browser session, such as cached data, cookies, or an extension conflict. At that point, you can return to your normal Chrome window and re-enable extensions one at a time if needed to find the cause. That's it. By clearing browser data, disabling extensions, and testing in incognito mode, you can quickly rule out some of the most common Chrome-related login problems.